Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Glade Plus is probably one of the most versatile and effective air fresheners on the market, designed to tackle even the most stubborn odors and leave your home smelling consistently delightful. Whether you're dealing with lingering pet smells, cooking aromas, or just want to create a more inviting atmosphere, Glade Plus offers a powerful solution that goes beyond masking, actively neutralizing unwanted scents to provide a truly fresh environment. Its innovative formula ensures a long-lasting fragrance experience, making it a go-to choice for maintaining a pleasant and welcoming home. Number 5. Glade Plugins Refills Tranquil Lavender and Aloe. Introducing Glade Plugins Refills in Tranquil Lavender and Aloe. Experience a calming scent that fills your space with peace and tranquility. Infused with essential oils, these refills offer a soothing aroma. Let the gentle fragrance of lavender and aloe create a serene atmosphere. Enjoy a continuous burst of freshness for weeks. These refills ensure your home always smells inviting and pleasant. Simply plug them in and let the fragrance diffuse. It's an effortless way to maintain a welcoming environment. Ideal for your living room, bathroom, or any space that needs a touch of calm. Elevate your everyday with this delightful scent. This convenient 5-count pack ensures you're always ready to refresh your scent. Enjoy lasting fragrance without frequent replacements. What we like. This offers a generous supply of your favorite scent, perfect for continuous freshness. Its infusion with essential oils provides a more natural and sophisticated aroma. If you want to maintain a consistently pleasant atmosphere in larger spaces or for extended periods without frequent replacements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Any space feels clean and inviting thanks to the fragrance, which is not overbearing and lingers for weeks. The scent is calming, fresh, and not overpowering at all. It fills the room with a beautiful fragrance that lasts a long time. The cashmere wood scent is simply amazing. It's a soothing, cozy fragrance with hints of sandalwood, amber, and a touch of vanilla, creating a warm and comforting atmosphere. It's not overpowering but instead offers a balanced, luxurious scent that gently fills the room. Number 4. Glade Plugins Clean Linen Refills. Experience the refreshing scent of clean linen with Glade Plugins. These refills bring a touch of freshness to your home. Enjoy a continuous fragrance that lasts. Simply plug it in and let the scent fill your space. Crafted with essential oils, these refills offer a natural and inviting aroma. It's the perfect way to enhance any room. Ideal for any room in your house, including the bathroom. Keep your living spaces smelling wonderful. Just insert a refill into your Glade Plugins warmer. It's a simple way to maintain a pleasant atmosphere. This pack comes with 2 refills, ensuring you have a fresh scent for longer. Enjoy the convenience and lasting fragrance. What we like. Experience a refreshing and airy fragrance that evokes a sense of cleanliness. The smaller size makes it ideal for smaller rooms or areas where a subtle scent is preferred. If you're looking for a quick refresh for your bathroom or a guest room, this provides a pleasant and unobtrusive aroma. What people say. One bottle lasts a good amount of time, so I do not feel like I am burning through them too quickly. I use these in the main areas of my apartment where my dogs hang out and they do a solid job of keeping any pet smell under control. Whatever bad smells existed. Vaporized. Banished. Yeeted into the sun. You plug this thing in and suddenly even your trash feels ashamed to stink. I swear the refill lasted so long I started to forget how bad my place used to smell. It's like having a tiny hard-working beach elf living in your wall outlet, spritzing the air with coastal magic 24/7. Number 3. Glade Plugins Refills Aqua Waves. Experience the refreshing scent of Aqua Waves with Glade Plugins Refills. These convenient refills are designed to bring a continuous fragrance to your home. Enjoy a consistent and pleasant aroma that lasts. Simply plug it in and let the scent fill your space. Crafted with essential oils, these refills provide a natural and invigorating fragrance experience. It's the perfect way to enhance any room. Whether in your living room or bathroom, these refills offer a delightful scent. Keep your spaces smelling fresh and inviting. Immerse yourself in the calming Aqua Wave scent. It's a wave of freshness designed to uplift your senses. Get more of the fragrance you love with this 2-count pack. Ensure your home stays beautifully scented for longer. What we like. Dive into a revitalizing scent that brings the freshness of the ocean indoors. Its compact nature ensures it fits discreetly into any space. For those who enjoy a bright and energizing fragrance to uplift their mood, especially in smaller areas like powder rooms or offices, this is a great option. What people say. The Glade Plus has a sleek design that fits well in any room. Its advanced odor neutralizing technology effectively eliminates unpleasant smells. The device offers adjustable intensity settings, allowing you to customize the fragrance level. Number 2. Glade Plug-in Plus Air Freshener Warmer. Introducing the Glade Plug-in Plus Air Freshener Warmer. It's designed to easily hold your favorite scented oil refills for continuous fragrance. Enjoy a consistent and pleasant aroma in any room. Simply insert a refill and let it work its magic. This warmer makes freshening your home simple. No complicated setup, just plug it in and enjoy the scent. Keep your spaces smelling inviting for longer. It's the perfect solution for a consistently fresh home environment. Its compact and sleek design blends seamlessly with your home decor. It provides fragrance without being obtrusive. Elevate your home's atmosphere with this convenient warmer. It's the ideal way to maintain a welcoming scent. What we like. This allows you to customize the level of fragrance to your preference, ensuring the perfect ambience. Its sleek design complements any home decor. If you desire more control over your home's scent profile and appreciate a stylish, user-friendly device, this warmer is a fantastic upgrade. What people say. The scent strength from one plug is impressive, covering my entire apartment, and it conveniently shuts off when the refill is empty. The added light is a night effect without being blinding. It is also helpful that it lets you know when it is time to swap cartridges. The variety of scents it offers is amazing, and I especially enjoy their limited edition refills. Number 1. Glade Plug-in Plus Air Freshener Starter Kit. Discover the Glade Plug-in Plus Air Freshener Starter Kit. It's designed to bring a refreshing scent to your home. Experience the invigorating Aqua Waves fragrance. It's like a breath of fresh air for your living space. This kit includes a warmer and a refill for continuous enjoyment. It provides a pleasant aroma that lasts. Ideal for both your home and bathroom. It effortlessly enhances the ambience of any area. Simply plug it in and let the scent fill your room. Enjoy a hassle-free way to freshen your home. Get started right away with the included warmer and refill. It's everything you need for immediate freshness. What we like. Get everything you need to start enjoying a beautifully scented home right away. This set combines a modern warmer with a popular, refreshing fragrance. If you're new to plug-in air fresheners or want a hassle-free way to introduce a delightful scent to a specific room, this starter kit is the perfect solution. What people say. The added night light and it turns off for 8 hours every night. No wasted smells when we're all sleeping. I like the design of the plug-in. It lets you adjust how much fragrance it lets out. If you set it on a medium setting, the plug-ins tend to last pretty long. These newer ones made by Glade smell so freaking great, and they turn in the outlet in case something in the way of the plug to plug out in, and it's got a tiny night light on it that'll start flashing when the fluid's low, which is very helpful because with all the other plug-ins you just always gotta check them because they definitely do not last 2 months or 60 days like they say. Only left on the lowest setting will it last for 60 days, and what's the point, lol. Seriously. Last 60 days or more, sometimes 70 days, and they smell absolutely unbelievable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.